Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the Qubetics Solver dashboard. You'll learn how to connect your wallet, register your solver, add liquidity, verify your status, monitor rewards, claim earnings, and withdraw liquidity. Before you begin, make sure you have the following ready. First, a Web3 wallet like MetaMask or Kepler. Second, enough BTC and TIX to meet the minimum liquidity requirement. Third, two whitelisted wallets, one BTC wallet and one EVM wallet, which you'll register during onboarding. And fourth, your node URL and solver node ID. First, connect your wallet. Click Connect Wallet, then approve the connection. Once connected, your wallet address fills in automatically. This address becomes your solver identity on the network. After connecting your wallet, you'll be asked to choose the type of solver you want to be in the network. If you are running a solver node and want to provide liquidity while earning higher rewards, select Run a Solver Node. If you only want to provide liquidity and earn passive yield without running a node, select Provide Liquidity. Choose the option that matches how you want to participate, then continue with the onboarding process. Next, register your solver. Fill in the solver information form. All fields are required and must be unique. Your connected wallet address is auto-filled. Enter your node address, also called the solver ID. You can copy this from your VPS terminal or Instanode's credentials. Then enter your node URL. It must use HTTPS. Next, add a unique solver name. After that, enter your whitelisted BTC wallet address, followed by your whitelisted EVM wallet address. Once everything is filled, click Register and approve the transaction in your wallet. After confirmation, your solver is registered on the network. Note, if any value is already used, registration will be rejected. Make sure all fields are unique. After registration, you'll enter the dashboard with a pending status. Your solver is not active yet. You must add liquidity to activate it. Click Go to Dashboard to continue. Here you can view your node status, liquidity status, uptime, solver rank, and recent activity. To activate your solver, you must add liquidity. The network supports BTC and TIX, and both must be deposited. In the liquidity section, click Add next to the token you want to deposit. Review the minimum requirement, then tick the checkboxes and click Show Address. A deposit address will appear. Copy it and transfer the required amount from your registered whitelisted wallet. Deposits from other wallets will not be recognized. Once the transaction confirms on-chain, your balance updates on the dashboard and appears in recent activity. After adding liquidity, click Verify Liquidity next to your node status. Approve the transaction in your wallet. Once confirmed, your node status and solver status will change to active. Your solver is now live on the network.